Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect to Google Home using an iPhone. Before we start, make sure of three things. First, your Govee lights are already set up in the Govee Home app. Second, the Google Home app is installed on your iPhone. And third, your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Now let's begin. First, open the Google Home app on your iPhone. Once you are in, on the home screen, tap the plus icon. Next, tap Setup Device, then tap Works with Google. Now you will see a list of smart home services. In the search bar at the top, type Govee and tap on it. Google will now ask you to sign in to your Govee account. Enter the same email and password you use in the Govee Home app. Then tap Authorize or Allow. Wait a few seconds while Google connects to Govee. Once connected, your Govee lights will appear automatically. Now choose a room for each light, like bedroom or living room. You can also rename the light if you want. Tap Next to finish. And that's it. Your Govee lights are now connected to Google Home on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.